Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Tigray, and Afar region. Viewers, several sources are reporting that fierce fighting is ongoing between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force in Afar region. Several areas of Afar region are battlefields now where Ethiopian National Defense Force along with its allies. Fighting against Tigray Defense Force, according to Tigray Defense Force, supporters, Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are facing heavy losses in this fight. Tigray Defense Force also shared some pictures and claimed that they have captured many Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies soldiers during this fight. While on the other hand, Ethiopian National Defense Forces and its allies are claiming their victories. It is not clear which side is winning this fight in Afar region. But one thing is confirmed that fierce fighting is again underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force. On the other hand, Ethiopian government has suspended the activities of three foreign humanitarian organizations which have been working in the rest of northern Tigray region. Ethiopia Agency for Cyber Society organization said that during monitoring it had identified rule violation by the three aid groups, namely Doctors Without Borders MF, Norwegian Refugee Council and Mactom Foundation. The agency said MSF and the Norwegian Refugee Council have been disseminating misinformation on social media and other platforms outside of the mandate and purpose for which the organization were permitted to operate. MSF has also illegally imported and used satellite radio communication equipment which was not authorized by the relevant authorities. MSF staff workers who were in possession of the equipment were apprehended by the security forces for using it illegal purpose. The agency has also accused the three aid organization of employing foreign national for more than 6 months without the appropriate work permits of the Ethiopian government. So viewer, this is the latest news about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.